Today we're going to make a gumball machine. First, you'll need a bowl to trace the round gumball container. Make sure there's room at the top and more room at the bottom for the rest of the machine. Trace around the outside of the bowl with your pencil. Once you're done tracing, draw 2 slanted lines going out away from the ball. Next, draw the table in the background and a rectangle on top for the opening of the gumball machine. Next, we're going to draw the wheel that cranks the gumballs out. Draw a circle in the middle, and then 4 rectangles radiating out away from that circle. We're also going to draw the door where the gumballs come out. Now, you need to trace your gumball machine with a Sharpie. Once you're done tracing your gumball machine, you can take an eraser and erase any lines that you missed and start coloring your gumball machine. Everything should be colored in except for the glass bulb where the gumballs are going to be held. So color the back surface area above and below the line, and then also color the top of the gumball machine and the bottom of the gumball machine. Use crayons for your coloring. Don't forget to sign your name in the bottom right corner with a Sharpie, and then you're ready to start adding your gumballs with the ink daubers. Sometimes the daubers dry up on the tips, so you kind of have to press and push and wait for the ink or the paint to come to the surface. So you're gonna have to keep pushing on it, maybe the first gumball that you do, but then after that they come out a lot quicker. Make sure you spread out your colors and do one color at a time. So I did red all over, and now my red's finished. Again, my orange is a little stubborn. It got dried on the tip, so I'm pushing it over and over again, wiggling it, trying to get it to come out more. And once it does, then I can start adding my orange gumballs all over the bowl of gumballs as well. Try and get your gumballs close, but not touching or overlapping. Think about what a real gumball machine would look like. All the gumballs would be piled at the bottom of the gumball machine. They wouldn't be floating in the middle of the top of it, so make sure you make them at the bottom first and try and get them as close together as possible. Some of my daubers made different sizes of circles for gumballs. That's okay, that just means I have different variety.